Hello everyone, my name is Jukiedavie. You can just call me Jukie. It's time to tell a tale. Woo! It's getting slimy up in these parts. Let's read a story all about slime. With the story, So Much Slime. Written by Jason Lefebvre and illustrated by Retz, with permission from Flashlight Press. It's time to tell a tale with Jukiedavie! So much slime! My family loves to make slime. My dad says slime is stretchy. My mom says slime is scientific. But I say slime is super squishy. Oh! I shout, I can show my whole class how to make slime. Wow. With your teacher's permission, Mom cautions. Remember, Matty, slime is simple. Just 3 ingredients: glue, baking soda, saline. And Dad says,
everything else is just pizzazz.
That night, I stuffed my backpack of all the slime making supplies I need. The next day, my art teacher agrees to a demonstration. So I set out everything I brought. Slime is simple, I explained to the class. Just 3 ingredients. First is glue. At home we use 1 bottle. But I want enough slime for everyone, so I'm using 6. Seems like a lot, Matty, my teacher warns. Don't worry, I assure her. I know exactly what I'm doing. Next is baking soda, I say. 1 teaspoon for each bottle of glue. Then what? My teacher asks. Slime is simple, I repeat. Just 3 ingredients. Glue, baking soda, and, I scan my supplies, trying to remember the 3rd. Oh yeah, pizzazz! I squeeze in food coloring as Julia stirs. Now comes the best part. We'll knead this with our hands, like dough. So I pour a water ball of slime onto the table and shout, Cowabunga! My teacher shudders. Matty, is it supposed to spread like that? Oh no! I shout. I forgot the saline. That's what turns this stuff into slime. I can't make slime without saline. You forgot the saline? My teacher squawks. I don't have any saline. This is bad. My demo is doomed. Instead of squishy slime, I'm up to my wrists in icky, sticky swamp. How will I ever clean this up? I groaned. Something from the art closet might help, Grace suggests. Pom-poms look like little mops, Izzy hollers. Maybe these can sop it up. Izzy, Julia, and Noah lob fuzzy pom-poms onto the table, but they just land. Plip, plop, flip, and sink into the spreading sludge. Now I'm up to my elbows in the icky, sticky swamp. Sand might solidify it, Luke shouts, dumping in a bagful. Noah, Caitlin, and Julia dump sand too. Enough to turn a swamp into a desert. But the sand creates a wave. Swoosh! And soon I am surfing in the icky, sticky swamp. Look, Owen says. Found letters are like tiny towels. Maybe these can soak up the swamp. A, B, where is C? There's no time for ABC order, Noah yells. He flings letters at me until I'm in the eye of an alphabet storm. for a few seconds, but soon start to slip beneath the surface. Glug, 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 and so do I. Now I'm up to my shoulders in the icky sticky swamp. Hey everybody, Caitlin calls. Haley and I wonder if we can whip this swamp into slime. Any arms start mixing. But this only makes bubbles. They rise and grow until the biggest bubble explodes. My teacher looks ready to explode now too, because the icky sticky swamp is landing everywhere. Just then, the school nurse busts in. Is everybody okay? What's going on? It's supposed to be slime, I splutter. But I forgot the saline. I'm out of saline, the nurse says. But prizes make everything better. Her prizes add plenty of pizzazz. But I'm still stuck in the icky sticky swamp. My demo is a dud. A total disaster. Oh, why did I forget the saline? I wail. Oh! Owen shouts, running out the door. I know where to find saline at the school. Owen is back in a flash. Saline from the science lab. He shrieks, squirting a stream across the room. My classmates gasp as the swamp magically morphs into spectacular, squishy slime. Everyone hopes need. Slime is simple. The science teacher recites just 3 ingredients: glue, baking soda, and saline. We all shout. Just then, I see my parents and the principal at the door. Hi, Matty, Mom calls. You forgot the saline at home. I know, I say. But look, my friends saved the slime.
Impressive slime, kiddo.
Dad declares, lifting me into the air.
It's filled with pizzazz. Just like you.
Everyone is amazed. We roll the slime around. The big blobs picked up the extra bits, so cleanup is fast and fun. Soon, our classroom is spotless. As the final bell rings, our teacher hands out containers. And, just as I'd planned, there's enough slime for everyone. My slime demo was a super success! After all, when we get home, Dad hands me a package. What's this? I ask. Read the card, Mom says.
Dear Matty, use this journal to track your imaginative experiments. I glued in one of my favorite slime recipes to get you started. Yours truly, Principal Stickley.
Cool, I say. Now I'll never forget an ingredient. We follow Principal Stickley's recipe right away to make stretchy, scientific, super squishy, glow in the dark slime. The end. What a crazy slime story. Imagine if this happened to you at school. And now it's time for shout out. I'd love to give a big shout out to Landon, Anna, and Addison from Florida. Hello. Thanks for watching this story with me and being my friend. I hope you enjoyed this ooey gooey, sticky, messy, slimy story today. And if any of you out there would like a shout out, just like this one, you can email me at jukiedavie@gmail.com with your name and where you're from. And if you liked this video, you can like it. And you can subscribe so we can do way more reading together, activities, fun things, all kinds of stuff. Come join me.
Come join me.
And I'll see you all next time when it's time to tell a tale. Goodbye. Bye, Jukie Davie. Bye-bye, my friends. Bye-bye. I'm a slime monster.